Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. Delhi University's paper has been completed. It was today. और अगर आपने पेपर दिया है तो आपको पता होगा कि whether it was difficult or not so difficult. But whatever information I have from my students, they are saying that it was, let's say, leaning towards the tougher side. आसान नहीं था. And if you see, it was also slightly unconventional, but this is expected of DU. Na? Delhi University can't give predicted pattern or predicted questions. Of course, some questions you can predict, but you cannot predict everything. Na? And some of my students are saying that there were many paragraph अरेंजमेंट क्वेश्चंस, उसके बाद आए थे क्वेश्चंस ऑन असर्शंस एंड रीजनिंग, ये भी थे काफी सारे. सो सी ऑल ऑफ दीज आर नॉट वेरी न्यू, बट यस द एम्फेसिस एवरी ईयर चेंजेस. समटाइम्स दे गिव मोर फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चंस, sometimes they give more paragraph or comprehension based questions. This year they have given these type of questions more. पहले भी आते थे, अभी भी आए, but the emphasis has been slightly tilted towards these questions. And with respect to difficulty level, आसान तो पहले भी नहीं होता था दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का, और इस बार भी नहीं था. And since there was negative marking, chances are that the cutoff will not be too high. So अगर आपने 50 से let's say 70 तक आपने अगर करेक्ट किए हैं, then you can expect selection. You stand a good chance of getting selected. Now a little bit more about the question paper. Now first, as I said, DU is known for surprises. So every year some questions are slightly unconventional every year. Of course इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता that preparation does not count. Of course preparation does count. And those students who have prepared well, they are saying that the paper was very easy. Some of them with whom I interacted, they are saying the paper was slightly difficult. And I also interacted with students who just joined my revision classes. Those students are saying that जो भी मैंने revision classes में बताया था, जो कि free था, even that was pretty useful. And ultimately it boils down to practice and preparedness. अगर आपने अच्छी preparation की है, then no matter what the difficulty level of the question paper, no matter which question paper it is, you will solve it. And अगर आपने practice की है, then it just helps to build exam temperament. So अगर इन सब चीज़ों का आपने ध्यान रखा था पहले अपने preparation में, then you also know that you have performed well. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन इस बार का अगर दिया था तो. Now as I said, some of the feedback of my students, some of them are saying that these questions came and unexpected for children who prepared normal. मतलब ये कि anybody who prepared directionlessly or without any kind of structure to their preparation, उनके लिए हो सकता था difficult है. But we had already discussed this. Writers, writing, match the following, ये मैंने काफ़ी बार अपने students को भी बताया था. Even in the free revision classes that I took, इसमें भी मैंने discuss किया था. उसके बाद what is the difference between blank verse, free verse, other literary devices, Shakespearean writings. Shakespeare is always important यार. Shakespeare is always important. Without Shakespeare there is no English literature. इतना ये तो बात साफ है. Now इसमें भी एक स्टूडेंट ने लिखा है that assertions and arrangement, jumbled sentences, ये सारे काफ़ी सारे थे. Then poems and dialogues from Shakespeare. One of the students has said that the questions were a bit tricky, like the reasoning and assertions one. See, of course some will be tricky, but if you have prepared well, you have done well. And doing well in Delhi universities, it doesn't mean scoring 100 out of 100. Question paper का difficulty level, it was tilted towards the difficult side. So nobody could achieve 100 out of 100. ये CUET PG की तरह आसान नहीं था. It was not that easy. The CUET PG of this year, उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. The CUET PG paper was slightly towards the easier side, but easy होने का नुकसान ये है कि कट ऑफ हाई जाएगा. दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पेपर मुश्किल था, इसका मतलब है कट ऑफ ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा. Even if you have scored 50 to 70 correct, you stand a good chance of selection. और with respect to cut off, पिछले साल की तरह ही रहेगा लगभग, because even last year the question paper was not easy, and even this year it is not easy. So, and some of my students who just attended the free revision classes, even they found it useful, because ultimately along with preparation you must give some finishing touches. Fine tuning भी तो करना पड़ता है ना preparation को, so you also have to do that. Fine tuning or giving some finishing touches, आपको वो maximum result नहीं मिलेगा. So it's just doing these simple things which many students generally may have neglected, but you should not have neglected this. One of my students is saying better than expected though, thanks to the revision classes. And let me tell you, the revision classes were free. Anybody could have joined it. Even though I run revision classes always, if you want you can also join it, for be it for Delhi University's MA entrance or UGC net, all of them. So I just hope that whatever lessons we are drawing from this, we will work on it. मतलब students की बात कर रहा हूँ. So if you are preparing for next year, make sure that you prepare well. Keep in mind the lessons which we can draw from this year's paper. Ask your seniors how the paper was. Look at some reviews of the question paper. Look at some YouTube videos. And yes, if you are preparing for next year, do a structured preparation. Don't do a directionless preparation because the syllabus is vast. अगर आप सब कुछ पढ़ना शुरू करोगे, then there will be no end to it. आप मेहनत करते रहोगे करते रहोगे करते रहोगे, एंड हो सकता है कि आपके मेहनत के हिसाब से रिजल्ट ना आए. तो कोशिश ये होनी चाहिए दैट whatever input you give, whatever investment of energy and time you make, you get the maximum returns. So that is the approach which we have always followed, and that is the approach which anybody should follow. If you are preparing for next year, then this is the approach that you should follow. So for those people who are waiting for the results to come, I wish them all the best. I wish them good luck. And for those students who are preparing for next year, prepare well in a proper direction. Don't do a directionless preparation, okay? Do a structured and with direction preparation which is up to the mark of Delhi University's question paper, or whatever question paper it will be next year. If you are giving CUET PG next year it may be difficult, so be prepared for that. So your preparation must be up to that level. Whether all universities are going to join CUET PG, time will tell. Point is, be prepared for whatever question paper comes.